Welcome to the channel. I appreciate you watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get to today's video. So today I'm doing something a little bit different than the normal hunting channel. Today, working on the dirt bike. So, I'm a little old and my son wanted a dirt bike. So, of course, he had to get one. I also had to get one. I mean, that's just how it goes. He can't just ride alone. Or at least that's what I told the wife. So, I got a dirt bike too. It did not take me long to realize and to bring back memories of 20 years ago when I rode motorcycles. Motorcycles. It did not take long to bring back that wrist hurting after a period of time. And now add 20 years of doing computers and getting older, you know, that carpal tunnel and that, but that mouse finger is dirty. But that mouse finger, I might not be strong, but my mouse finger, son, is dangerous. It'd be like, you didn't even see that coming. So what I did today was I ordered a thumb, I can't even talk. Thumb throttle, kind of like a four-wheeler, put on a dirt bike. I can't stand my wrist hurting anymore, so let me show you what I did. So the dirt bike people are gonna be like, oh, I can't believe you did that. But let me tell you, oh my goodness, that so much better. So anyway, this is an Amazon special. I think it was like 18 bucks and came with a cable. So temporarily, I am using the twist type, the one that came with it, because on this end right here is, oh sorry, I wasn't paying attention, I was looking down. So this end right here, but this little bevel keeps that from coming in and out because there's the metal in there. Obviously this factory one does not have that because it was on a twist. Well, let me take that back. It does have one, but it's way back here. So this cable would have worked that came with the kit, except the part right here that goes into the carburetor. This part on the factory, let me pull it out. This part that goes into the carburetor right there, right here, has a E-clip groove on the factory. I just didn't like using this aftermarket and not having that E-clip. So I'm going to order a new cable, but temporarily, this thing works amazing. Gotta get a new grip because this was the grip that was on the twist. You know, I had to get a new grip, but this is a Yamaha 4-stroke 125. So some of y'all gonna be like, well, you too fat. We seen you in the kayak. Well, that's true. I am a little fat, and there's a gnat flying around me. It's driving me crazy. It is a 125, but I'm telling you, this little 4-stroke is plenty enough for a 40-plus-year-old person. The main reason I didn't want to go with a 2-stroke, my son got the PW 80 2-stroke. That's the one that does not have a clutch. And I'm telling you, for somebody that does not know how to ride a dirt bike and you're trying to teach them, get them that 50 or 80 that does not have a clutch. It's kind of like a four-wheeler. You just give it gas and go. Wow, way easier than teaching anybody how to use a clutch, I promise. But anyway, his is a 2-stroke, but it's an 80. If I would have got a 2-stroke, I don't know, anything bigger than a 125, if you know anything about a 2-stroke, it's going to have that power band. It's going to be weak on bottom end, but high on top end. Me and him's going to go ride. There's absolutely no use for me to have that kind of power when I'm going to have to keep up with him. So I might as well just enjoy a 4-stroke because I can't leave him. And that little 80, and he's only in first gear, he's not going to leave me. in this 4-stroke. So the plans are and it's also what I told my wife. After he outgrows that 80, he can get this 125, and then I'll upgrade to something else. Or maybe by the time that he gets to the 125, I just might be too old to ride. Who knows? But this was just a little video that I want to put together to show you how I put that thumb throttle on this Yamaha, and it makes a world of difference. So I'll crank it up here in a minute and I'll show you video riding it. But like I said, I'm gonna get a different cable that has this type on this end and then a E-clip on the other one. I just got to go down to the dirt bike shop. But all right. And of course, if I had that piece that wouldn't allow that to move, it wouldn't be doing that. That's also preventing it from going full throttle, but it's got pretty good speed. So y'all hit that like button, go watch my other videos, and thanks for watching.